Dear students, today I am going to solve exercise 7.1 and question number 2. Here is question number 2. Question number 2. This is the given figure in which BC equal to AD and angle ABC equal to angle BAD. Then you have to prove that triangle ABD and BAC are congruent. So, proof. Or we can prove it in triangles ABD and ABC AD equal to BC, AD equal to BC given and angle BAD equal to angle ABC, it is also given. And AB is common in both triangles, AB and AB equal to AB, common. Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC, SAS, side angle side. If both triangles are equal, congruent, then BD equal to AC, which implies that BD equal to AC by CPCT. Corresponding part of congruent triangles. C means corresponding, P means part, C means congruent and T means triangles. अगर ये दोनों ट्रायंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट हैं तो इनके सारे पार्ट्स इक्वल होंगे, मीन्स सारी साइड ऑल थ्री साइड्स इक्वल होंगी और थ्री एंगल्स भी इक्वल होंगे. देन साइड BD इक्वल टू AC एंड एंगल ABD this angle ABD is equal to BAC this angle, and angle ABD is equal to angle BAC, also CPC. Proof. Now we will solve question number 5. Line L is the bisector of angle A and B is any point on L. BP and BQ are perpendicular from B to arms of angle A. Then show that you have to prove it. Question number 5. Question number 5. This is angle A. And L is bisector, means L. Here is any point B and draw perpendicular. PQ. Then you have to prove that triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB, and secondly BP is equal to BQ. BP is equal to BQ. Okay. In triangle, here are two triangles, ABP and AQB. So we will take in triangles AQB and APB. Angle QAB equal to PAB. Given means this line is bisector of angle A. Since L is bisector of angle A and AB equal to AB, कॉमन इन बोथ ट्रायंगल्स, दोनों ट्रायंगल में ये कॉमन है, एंड एंगल BQA is equal to एंगल BPA is equal to 90 degree. Both are perpendiculars. Therefore, triangle AQB is congruent to triangle APB. ये फर्स्ट हमारा प्रूव हुआ. एंड सेकेंड थिंग BP इक्वल टू BQ. हियर इज ये बोथ ये ट्रायंगल और ये ट्रायंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट है, तो इट मींस ये साइड इस साइड की इक्वल होगी और ये साइड जो होगी इस साइड की इक्वल होगी. Therefore, BQ equal to, which implies that BQ equal to BP CPC. Proved. यही हमको प्रूव करना था. And you may solve some other problems. If you feel any problem in this exercise, you may ask me. Now we will prove theorem 7.2. angles opposite to the angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle, of an isosceles triangle are equal let ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC. Let ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC, then we have to prove that angle ABC equal to angle ACB. You have to prove that this angle is equal to this angle. At first, we will draw a bisector of angle A. Means this angle is equal to this angle. Here construction. Suppose this is AD. Draw AD, bisector of angle A. Then proof. In triangle ABD and ACD, ABD and triangle ACD, AB equal to AC given, AB equal to AC, it is given, and angle BAD equal to CAD, angle BAD equal to CAD by construction, and AD equal to AD, AD equal to AD common. Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent triangle ACD, which implies that angle ABD equal to angle ACD by CPCT. Again, corresponding part of congruent triangles. Thus, we can say that angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Means अपोजिट जो इक्वल साइड्स होती हैं उनके अपोजिट एंगल भी आपस में इक्वल होंगे। और इसको उल्टा हम कर सकते हैं कि अगर अपोजिट एंगल इक्वल है तो अपोजिट साइड भी इक्वल होंगी। थैंक यू। एंड आई थिंक यू विल सॉल्व exercise 7.1 and 7.2 also. If you have any problem, I may help you or I can help you, and I will solve some other problems in next video. Thank you.